Alright, then, since Takanashi Kiara was the winner for today, as promised, here is my delicious reward. Da 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 da. Where's my reward?
It's right here.
Where's it? What?
Like.
You're right here.
It's me.
The cake is right here.
Your reward is me.
So, this is not sharing size, so I'm gonna eat this alone.
One bite. I worked so hard to hit against it.
What if I drop this now? What do you think? Does it look good to you? I love strawberries. I've been eating so many strawberries because right now it's strawberry season.
Strawberry.
Here I go.
I like strawberry.
Itadakimasu.
Oh, I love strawberry.
It is not strawberry. No. It's not sharing size. No. Well.
Wait, how do you do it? Oh, yeah. Is it working?
No.
Harder.
The strawberry. I'm having another strawberry. What? Okay, then for the last part, tell me what part do you want everyone to look forward to the most for the concert? What about us? What do you think?
I look forward to getting revenge on you on stage.